We're going to show you how to find an order. Now there's two categories of orders, and one would be like a work in progress and the other one would be a posted order. Now there's several categories. Now, let me show you something really quick here. Let's say I'm a technician and I'm going to go to the keyboard and I see an order number and I say that I'm going to just type in the order number on the key, and let's say it's 5128. If I were to select that, and let's say I have multiple appointments and I don't want to go through them all, I can quickly locate it just by typing in the number and pressing search. It's going to search and locate that customer for me. I can simply click on it and I'm right at the order. So very, very quick and easy. Alternatively, if I don't remember the order number, the only thing that I remember is this vehicle had a leak, and that's what I was working on before and I wanted to come back to it. I could just type in leak, do a search, there you go, click on it, and there I'm back to the order again. The other way I can do it is from all my customers here. I can just type in a part number, even if I don't know what I'm doing. I can just simply type in a part number that I know and do a search, and it's going to come down to this customer again, and there we go. So all the keywords we typed in, remember we said leak, we said a part number, it was able to find it all. And just to show you too, you could type in a customer name, you could type in their vehicle information, anything, and that's going to be able to help you locate something really, really quickly. Now let's say you're the service writer and you want to find, let's say you have a customer on the phone and they have a question about some work that was done before. It's pretty simple for you to locate anything here. You could say work in progress. Let's say I want to search just all of the orders. There's all. As far as the categories, I'll quickly go over that. In progress, incomplete, that may mean that I've received a partial payment. Paid means that it's completely paid but the inventory has not been posted yet, and this last one is posted, meaning the order's been paid, the inventory has been posted, and we're all good to go. But for now I'm just going to say all. There's a couple search features we can use here, and the number one thing is if I know who the customer is, I can just select it. Now any customers that I've dealt with before will be right in this customer field. Now alternatively, in the search field, similar to like a Google search, I could type in oil change, I could type in anything I want, a keyword. If I were to say deluxe and say search, it's going to search all of my orders and it's going to come up with me. Now these two orders are the ones that we're doing deluxe oil changes on. Okay, now I can reset that if I like. Okay, now it comes back and shows me all of my customers, and so like I say, I can search even by a part number. Okay, if I do a search here, it's going to show me everyone that I've used antifreeze on, and this can be really, really handy if I wanted to find out even a part number, even a labor description, a customer name, a plate number, a VIN number of a vehicle. It's really, really handy. Just to show you with a vehicle, let's say I only know the last few digits of a VIN number. I could just simply type that in and it's going to show me all my options. And there you go. See, it's found that customer. So really, really powerful. The other thing you can do too is if I wanted to find out, show me orders that I've just made a recommendation on, I could select this box and select a date field of from what date. Now I just go to the calendar and select what date to what date and press search. So what this is really handy on is, let's say I wanted to phone all my customers that have an oil change in the last 3 months and give them a coupon or just find out how their service was. Very, very powerful to be able to break that down. So it's very easy to sort. I can even, let me show you something else here too. Let me reset. if this was all of our customers, sorry, I have to uncheck the show orders. Okay, here we go. We're going to reset this now. Reset. There we go. Okay, so what we're finding is now that we have all of these vehicles and all this customer information, the powerful thing too is I can sort by order number, I can sort by customer, car, order date, progress, and even the employee who's worked on the vehicle. So I can show you if I wanted to go by order number, I could select that and it'll reverse my order numbers. I can select by customer and it'll do it alphabetically. I can do it by car and it's going to do it by year. Okay, and if there's no information, it's going to go obviously with that first. Okay, so these are other sorting things that are really powerful to help you find what you're looking for. The other cool thing too is right from this screen, if you wanted to reschedule a job, as we were talking in another segment, you could just reschedule that job from here. The other thing too, you can go right from this edit icon and go right back into the order. So it's a lot of powerful screens here that makes it really, really quick and easy for you to do your job and do it quickly.